This one. This one is from Momo's Strawberry. $99 pesos. Paddle. Pops. Sarap mocha. This one is cuttlefish. It's cuttlefish. $195 pesos. Ayan. This one is magic syrup. Magic syrup, merong free bag. Eco bag. No, it's like eco bag. And then orange, I think 148. Apple, Fuji apple, 3. It's really this one is number sesame oil. And this one is from Japan Home. This one is sponge. Sponge is egg. Ano ba yan? I think it is fine. This for brush, sponge. Also sponge for the brush. Also this one more sponge. Dishwashing sponge. This one is clip for leftover food or leftover snacks, something. This one is socks. This one is kahit saan mo ilalagay, pwedeng pang table mat or yung hindi mag-slide para hindi mag-slide yung mga gamit. Parang ito here, ito blue yung kulay niya. Tapos yung iba yung nasa microwave para hindi gagalaw yung microwave. Lalagay ito sa bed kasi yung higaan namin may isa pang isa pang bed, tapos nag-slide siya kaya ilalagay ito. Tapos tissue, and then more tissue, and then ang bango. Ito yung favorite ko sa mga panty liner. Bango niya. Tapos salon pass. Masakit yung likod. Tapos Downy antibacteria. Listerine Total Care. Tapos feminine wash, beach care, alcohol, wrinkles. Sabi mo na yun. Dishwashing liquid, Joy. Modest. This one is efficacent and Omega. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.